Hello everybody! We just want to wish you a happy 4th of July because that's what today is. Woo! And we are in Miami right now, and after a long night of flying and delayed flights and just and being transferred to different flights, we are finally here in Miami. We're here to meet up with our sister, Abigail. Just want to let you guys know that this is going to be the first vlog of Florida vlogs. 20? No, it's going to be 10 vlogs. At least 10. About 10.
Hi. Hi.
So we're in baggage claim right now, and our baggage is nowhere to be found. They're going to mail our baggage.
We buy all new clothes.
Yeah, we'll just buy new clothes. It's that easy. Duh. Our baggage is going to be mailed, shipped to our hotel in Orlando, so I feel naked without my stuff. So we're finally outside and we can feel that heat already. It feels like a sauna. Now we're at my sister's new place in West Palm Beach. It's about an hour from Miami. So we are now eating breakfast at Ati's place. Thank you, Ate, for our luxury breakfast.
Wow, my goodness.
So after breakfast, we went grocery shopping in Ati's pantry. Got a whole bunch of stuff in there. It was really expensive. So we just checked into our hotel.
Someone's here.
It's pretty nice. This is the master's bedroom. The master. So we are going to meet up with some family.
Turn left.
Currently in downtown Orlando. We're on our way to a park called Lake Ayola Park, and apparently they have the best fireworks show that's not in a theme park, and it's for free for the public, so we're gonna go check it out. Parking was hard to find. A lot of people downtown. For other people it's hard. We got lucky there. Got finished with the fireworks. Now we're gonna, well, now we're eating street food. Pretty good.
It's like all flour here.
We don't understand what we're eating, but it's really good.
But we're hungry, so it tastes good.
Wala lang ba?
Walmart right now and buy some stuff because our luggage isn't here yet. We're at Walmart right now at 11 o'clock. I'm gonna buy stuff that we don't have. I'm gonna buy shirts, toothpaste, deodorant, shower gel, whole bunch of stuff. We had a good day today, first day in Florida. Happy 4th of July again, and thank you for watching and have a good whatever.